In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure to retrofit your vehicle's air conditioning system from R12 to 134A and recharge the system. In this step, we're going to talk about some of the service procedures you may not be able to perform on your own and some reasons why that is. The EPA decided that R12 refrigerant was bad for the environment and forced the industry to convert to R134A. I would have a bottle of R12 for you if it was available at all. It's not available to me. You need a license to purchase it. R134A is the replacement that the EPA decided that was okay to use. The difference is the number of chlorine molecules in the actual fluorocarbon. If your air conditioning is only working slightly, you will still have some refrigerant trapped in the system. You're not going to be able to just remove the fittings and take the refrigerant out. It's a felony and carries a prison sentence and a very stiff fine. The most repair facilities will still pay you for your R12. They will charge you for the AC service if you have them refill the system on your own. But venting it to the atmosphere, if you just unscrew the fitting and vent it to the air, is a felony. So this process you can do alone if your system is completely empty. These are some of the proper procedures you're going to want to perform if your AC is only working slightly, and the differences in the refrigerants and what's available to you. There will be an identification tag somewhere under the hood of your vehicle or perhaps on the hood. As you can see, we have several tags up in this area for various other components of the vehicle. There'll be one just like it for your air conditioning. My tag is located over here on the condenser housing, or actually the evaporator housing, and it will indicate to you the appropriate amount of refrigerant you're going to want to reinstall into your system. If it only lists a kilogram volume, you're going to multiply the kilogram volume by 2.24. That will give you the actual amount of pounds you need to put in. As you can see, this is a 12-ounce can, which is 3/4 of a pound. So you're going to need several of these in order to completely charge your system.